How to fix Netflix login error on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I'm simply going to be guiding you on how you can fix Netflix login error on Android. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to fix Netflix login error on Android, what you have to do is, first of all, there could be three reasons why this happens. The first is the application issue, the other is the account issue, and the third is the credentials issue. So to get started with the application issue, this could be due to a couple of reasons. So first of all, open up your Play Store and then ensure that you have updated the Netflix app. If you see an update button right next to Netflix, tap on it in order to update the Netflix app to the latest version, and this should most likely solve your problem in many cases. If this doesn't help solve your problem, then what you can try to do is go ahead and then long press on the Netflix app icon which you see over here. Once you long press on Netflix, tap on the I button which you see, and as you tap on the I button over here, you want to simply go to the option called storage and then clear the cache files. If possible, also clear the data. Once you clear the cache files and data, if it's the application issue, this should solve your problem. If this didn't help solve your problem, then other could be the account issue. Netflix could have restricted your account from accessing its servers. So in that case, what you can actually try to do is just go ahead and try to see if you have other Wi-Fi available and try to connect to those. If not, then try to switch to cellular data and see if that solves your problem. Or else you can try to simply use a VPN. What this does is that it is going to change the IP address, and then it is going to trick Netflix into thinking that it's not the same person trying to logging in, and you can go ahead and log into your account respectively as well. Last but not the least, it could be happening due to incorrect credentials. So open up Netflix and make sure that your login details are correct. If your login details are also incorrect, you will not be able to sign into your account. If you forgot your password, then you can tap on forgot password and reset your password in that way. Hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.